In this video, we're asked to translate words into algebra, and two examples are given. 1. The product of three numbers x, y and z. 2. 6 times the sum of two numbers x and y. Let's have a look at how we can do this. We will start off by looking at 1, and we can see we've got three symbols x, y and z. And we've also mentioned the product, which means multiplying things together. So I can say x times y, and then we can say this is times the z, and that is the product. Of course, I can replace the times with the multiplication symbols, but in algebra, we go on to say that this is x, y, z. And the implication is that there is multiplication signs in these positions. So this text in algebra looks like this. So let's move on to 2, which is 6 times the sum of two numbers x and y. Looking at the text, we know we've got x, y. We've also got 6 because it's 6 times. We have times, and we also have sum, which means adding things up. If we consider the sum of x and y, this is simply x plus y. We put brackets around this because we've got 6 lots of them. 6 lots of the sum of x and y. So we can see that this text can be written in algebraic form as this here. 6 lots of the addition of x plus y. In other words, the sum of x and y. 6 lots of the sum x and y. Now there is no multiplication sign here, but it implies that if the 6 is in this position and there's no sign here, then the 6 is multiplying the entire content of the brackets, which is the sum of x and y. We have 6 lots of x and y, or 6 times the sum of x and y.